In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Wrike dashboard layout. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. The first step you need to take is to navigate to your project's dashboard. So go ahead and log into your Wrike account. Once you're in, head over to the Dashboard section and open up your project's dashboard. Give it a moment to load completely. This way, you can see all your active widgets clearly. It's always good to have a clear view of what's happening in your projects before making any adjustments. Once your dashboard is fully loaded, it's time to look for the layout controls. Near the top of your dashboard area, you should find the dashboard's name along with the settings menu. Look for the option that says Change Layout. Go ahead and click on that. This is where things really start getting interesting. After you click on Change Layout, a few options will pop up for you to choose from. You'll want to select the column view here. This layout style organizes your widgets into columns that scroll horizontally. It's particularly handy if you're managing different project stages, much like a Kanban board. It can really help in visualizing progress and ensuring that all parts of your project are in sync. Once you've selected the column view, take a moment to review everything and make sure it suits your working style. Test your new view by scrolling horizontally. This will help you understand how your information is laid out and whether it meets your needs. When you're happy with your setup, it's important to lock in those changes so you don't lose them later. Go ahead and click on Change Layout one more time. You'll see some prompts appearing on your screen. Just follow through those highlighted options to officially confirm and apply the new settings to your workspace. It's a quick and easy finish to ensure everything stays exactly how you want it. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Wrike dashboard layout. It's pretty simple once you know how to navigate the options available to you. Changing the layout to better suit your workflow can make a significant difference in how efficiently you manage your projects. Remember, the way your dashboard looks can directly affect your productivity and how on top of things you feel. So take the time to customize your dashboard until it feels just right for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this and hit that like button to share the love.